Hi everyone, my name is Arpita Das and I lead the Word Lab here at IIHS. The whole point of setting up something like the Word Lab, which is really an editorial and publications team, was to make sure that the wonderful research that is happening at IIHS gets presented in as nuanced and lucid and accessible a manner as possible by the outside world. And what we also try to do here is to put all of this research and wonderful writing out in the academic format, which could be reports, which could be journal articles, which could be other studies, but we are also trying very hard to make sure that all of this knowledge base gets translated to more mainstream formats, which can then be accessed by a larger audience. Another thing that we have started this year at IIHS is an academic journal called Urbanization, which is really a cutting-edge repository, periodic repository of everything that is new and part of the new discourse around urbanization. And this is something we're really committed to bringing out twice a year, and it's being collaboratively published by Sage Publications, which is really the best journal publisher out there. What we also want to do, and what we have started doing in a way with our literary festival last year, City Scripts, is to cover the other end of the spectrum, which is the mainstream end of the spectrum, which is to bring writers, bloggers, activists who are writing on urban matters, not necessarily technical, together into this festival so that they can talk to each other, they can talk to the audience, and new ideas can then be generated and perhaps some action taken on that. So essentially the Word Lab is trying to bridge the gap between the academic and the mainstream writing and reading and research space at IIHS, and we are trying to make sure that we are getting all the work done over here out to you in the most accessible manner possible without dumbing it down.